Barbie Fortesa. And during Abinon party event, naglaro pa nga sila ng Family Feud. And Abinon Edition. And sila Barbie at Jameson Bake. And halos lahat sila ay black na outfit yun, no?
Hindi yung sagutin yung tanong ko sa...
Kaya nag-enjoy niya si Barbie. At abangan si Barbie. Magkakaroon siya ng meet and greet sa SM North EDSA Cinema Lobby. 5 PM yan. Yun, no? Ito pa yung mga pa-black screening kay Barbie na mga endorsement niya. For P77. Gaya ng Vitamilk. At 9 yung basic. May pa-birthday pa nga. Sarap ng kain ni Barbie. Belated happy birthday kay Barbie.
Ganon. Sila na lang.
Thank you.
Hi, Barb.
Hello po.
Hello. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Super early mo kanina.
Oo.
Super aga niya.
Salamat. Thank you. Salamat.
P77, now in second week.
Second week. Barbie natin.
Jameson, ano masarap
Barbie,
gawin
si
after
Jameson.
pagkilan?
Interview.
Nagbilan.
Matulog na
Matulog daw.
Pero,
Magchinelas.
yeah.
For me.
Oo, naka-heels eh. So, it's to unwind, just relax.
Definitely celebrate with friends.
Wow, deserve.
Yeah.
Say hello to our Pepsters. Hi, Pepsters.
Hi,
Hello,
Pepsters.
Pepsters.
Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for more update. This is Victor Reaction Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.